Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are bored, so all we're trying to do is go shopping. We were gonna go to Ace Hardware. They're closed. We were gonna go to Costco. They're about to close. We were gonna go to Twisted Sugar. They're closed. So we are just walking up this little new shopping center off of the 203 on Waddell. And first we're gonna go into Sprouts Farmers Market. They have these super cute cactus and they're on sale, but they don't say what they are. Normally I'm not a fan of buying just like mystery cactus. Found out Sprouts has samples. That's kind of fun. They also have like all of these orchids basically half off. So those ones are only $12.99, $13.99, $12.99, and $9.99. I've always wanted to try and grow an orchid outside, even though I know it's probably going to die. But this one is only like $11.99 or $12.99. Look how pretty that is. Holy cow, guys, we just found out Sprouts has a clearance section. HomeGoods just casually has their clearance just on these carts in the middle of the store. I promise we're not stealing the cart, but Zena wants to go in one more store. How was your shopping trip? We finally found stores that were open. Oh, I think Five Below just closed. And of course, PetSmart is also closed. So Zena, I think that's a sign that our shopping is done and we should head home and show everybody what we got. This is one of our best hauls yet. This is what we got at Sprouts Farmers Market. These Zevia 0-calorie sodas. Each one of those was $2. Then we got these really funky and fun dressings. So the carrot ginger dressing was only $1.75. The cilantro lime dressing was $1.75. And the organic papaya dressing was only $1.63. Then we got this really funky looking granola, which is $1.75. Each one of these chips was only 88 cents. And we got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful orchid for only $12.99. And from HomeGoods, we also got all clearance products. We got this spicy chicken lime ramen, $3.50 for 4 packages. Then we got 3 of these Carolina Kettle. One is pickle, one is jalapeno. Well, it's actually dill pickle, jalapeno queso, and honey sriracha. Each one of those was only $2.50. And we got this, kind of stupid, but I just thought that it was cute, this monument-shaped pasta for only $3.50. Well, if you liked this video, definitely make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.